Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the developer and creator of VTube-STEP software. We use STEP in the name of VTube because STEP is a file type that is very popular in the solid modeling industry for transferring solid models between different programs. VTube-STEP uses what's called Model-Based Definition, or MBD, in order to take data from a solid model and then convert it to bender data, and then send the bender data directly out to a tube bender without ever having to key in numeric information. Not only is this method safer than manually keying in numeric information, but it's faster too. I'd like to demonstrate how fast it is by giving you a demonstration where I import a solid model, then send the converted data out to a bender. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start by clearing VTube-STEP, and then I'm going to import a STEP model. I'll choose a real automotive part shared with us by a customer developed inside Autodesk Inventor. This part includes components attached to the model, which makes importing much harder, but shows the real power of VTube-STEP. Now I'm going to perform a process called collection, in which we select each of the straights of the tube in bending order. Then we're going to build a parametric tube from the cylinder features collected. VTube-STEP will now show the imported XYZ centerline coordinates and bender data. Finally, change to the bender output menu, enter the bender number, and then send the data to the bender. And that's it. It's that simple. You import solid model data, you perform the collection, you build the bender data, and then you send the bender data out to the bender instantly. It's that easy. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.